Dear students, today we will discuss exercise now 13.2 for class 7 subject mathematics. First question is 3 square into 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 8. Here base is same 3, 3, 3. But the exponents, here exponent is 2, here exponent is 4 and it is exponent 8. Exponents are different. Then according to law of exponents, we know that a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. If base is same but exponent is different, then it will be exponent is plus m plus n. Here base is same 3 is base, but exponents are different. Then exponents will be 2 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 3 to the power 14 is the answer. Next question is 6 to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 10. Here base is same and exponent is different, but it is divide. Then law of exponents, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Then answer will be 6 to the power 15 minus 10 is equal to 6 to the power 5. It is answer. Question number 3 is a cube into a square. Then a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. The answer will be, here base is same but exponent is different. Then 3 plus 2 is equal to a to the power 5. Question number 4 is 7 to the power x is equal to 7 square. Here base is same. Then law of exponent, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Then 7 in x plus 2. It is answer. Next question is 5 square to the power whole cube divided by 5 to the power 3. We know that a to the power m into n, then a to the power m into n. Here 5 square into 3 divided by 5 to the power 3 is equal to 2 3 are 6 divided by 5 to the power 3. Then a to the power n divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Answer will be 5 to the power 6 minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 3. Next question is 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. According to law of exponents, a to the power m into b to the power m. If exponents is same but base are different, then ab to the power m. 2 into 5 to the power 5, 10 to the power 5. It is answer. A to the power 4 into b to the power 4. Here exponents are same but base are different. We know that a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to ab to the power m. Then a into b to the power 4 is equal to ab to the power 4. Next question is 3 to the power 4 whole cube. We know that a to the power m into n is equal to a to the power m n. Then 3 to the power 4 into 3 is equal to 3 to the power 12. Next question is 2 to the power 20 divided by 2 to the power 15 bracket into 2 to the power 3. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Then 2 to the power 20 minus 15 into 2 to the power 3 is equal to to the power 20 minus 15 is equal to 5 into 2 to the power 3. Again, we know that a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Then 2 to the power 5 plus 3 is equal to 2 to the power 8. Next question is 8 to the power t divided by 8 square. We know that a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Here base is same and exponents are different and it is divided. Then answer will be a to the power t minus 2.